Packing for an Alaska cruise can be complicated, and choosing the right jacket really matters. A heavy winter coat usually just isn't necessary during the Alaska cruise season, and ski jackets tend to be too warm and bulky for all day wear. A lot of people pack a puffer jacket for Alaska, and while puffers are popular, they're not always the most versatile option. Depending on the season you're cruising, a puffer can be too warm or not warm enough. But with all of these options, you're stuck with the warmth or coolness that your one jacket gives. Instead, I recommend a 3-in-1 jacket, especially if you're cruising outside of peak summer. A 3-in-1 jacket is actually an outer waterproof rain shell, an inner lightweight puffer, and the option to zip them together for more warmth. This type of jacket has built-in layering, which is perfect for Alaska's changing conditions, especially during cooler cruise months like April, May, early June, and September. So you can adjust based on the weather, and Alaska weather changes fast. On my Alaska cruise in early July, it was relatively mild. I mostly wore just the inner puffer in the mornings and during whale watching, and otherwise I was fine in just a long sleeve shirt. On that trip, I brought a lighter rain jacket with me instead of the 3-in-1, and ironically, it never rained, which can happen, but it isn't something you should plan on. My next Alaska cruise is in early June, and I'm expecting colder temperatures and a much higher chance of rain. That's exactly why I'm bringing the full 3-in-1 setup this time. With a 3-in-1 jacket, I can wear just the puffer when it's cool, just the rain shell if I get warm while walking, or both layers together for the coldest moments, like glacier viewing or whale watching. Another bonus is that most 3-in-1 jackets are slimmer than traditional puffers, making them easier to pack and more comfortable to wear. One feature I highly recommend for your Alaska jacket is to make sure your jacket snaps or tightens at the neck. Wind on fast-moving boats can be brutal, and constantly fighting a loose hood is the last thing you'll want when you're trying to enjoy the scenery. To find a 3-in-1 jacket similar to the one I plan to pack for Alaska, check the description below for links. And subscribe for more helpful Alaska cruise packing and planning tips.